Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making homemade garlic powder. Yes, you can actually make your own garlic powder from home, from scratch, and it's really very easy. So stay tuned if you want to know how I make mine, okay? Alright, so the first thing you need is your garlic. You can get this from any local market. Then I actually peeled the garlic. I peeled the skin off. Then I cut it into smaller chunks and I sun-dried it. I sun-dried it for 2 days. Actually, the sun in Abuja is really hot, like so very hot. So 2 days, like 1 day itself was even enough, but I did this for 2 days so it could be very dry. You can actually use your oven on low heat to dry it, like if you don't have the sunlight. And you have to be conscious when drying it in the sun because of dust and also other insects, okay? Alright, so garlic is really very important. It is very, very necessary because it has so many health benefits. It's used to spice your food, of course. You can use it to spice your chicken, your jollof rice, and every other yummy food, even noodles. But some of the health benefits of garlic is that it actually combats illness, yes, especially cold and flu. Like I actually used to chew it raw. Like I take this and chew whenever I have a flu. My kids even take this and chew when they have cold. Like it's really very good. And it can also reduce blood pressure. Garlic is also good for what? Lowering the risk of heart disease. Yes, like it has so many benefits. So without further ado, let's go right into it. And I'm going to blend this now with my blender. And we're going to get our garlic powder. So stay tuned, all right? So let's blend. Okay, so our garlic powder is ready. Yes, okay. See how lovely this looks? You can use this to garnish your food. You can use it in your chicken. You can use this to make your delicious, yummy jollof rice and so many other meals. And you can also package this in your own way to sell. Yes, organic homemade garlic powder. Okay, so to preserve this, all you need to do is seal it up in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. And I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you and God bless you.